conversation. It is simply a series of questions based around a couple of areas. There's no real magic to it. It basically says, instead of coming with solutions, come with questions to understand needs. Yeah? It says your role and your job as an IT demand manager is not putting solutions on the table immediately. It is understanding the business environment of your businesses, because that's the longer term job description. It is being on the pulse of the business and understanding the business processes and everything that we have here from the first stage of our demand management process. Those are the important things. Solutions will come or they will not. Yeah? They may come as a direct result of this conversation or maybe not. But the purpose of the EPIC discussion is to generate understanding of the need. Yeah? So, as our first stage, the E stands for environment, and here are some questions that come in here. Tell me about the environment. Tell me about your situation. What is the status quo at the moment? What is your business? Tell me about your business environment. Tell me about your job. Tell me about the different processes that you are involved in, the different projects that you're involved in. Who do you work with? Who do you work for? Who is your end customer? Do you have competitors within your environment? Do you have people who you depend on? Do you have people who depend on you? Yeah, all of these things regarding the environment of the person and the function that you're talking to. Yeah. So the next stage is a simple question, which sometimes needs a couple of diplomatic ways in which to ask the question. But effectively, the question is, so what is the problem? What is the pain? Diplomatically, you can say, what is the issue, the challenge? What are some of the hot topics that you're facing at the moment? Yeah? From a functional perspective, everybody within Bayer has the following situation. You have goals and you have ways that you are going to try and achieve them. Yeah? Management by objectives suggests that everybody is given specific tasks to do. You set a number of objectives with your bosses, and then you go ahead and achieve those objectives during the year to a certain level. Some people achieve them easily. Some people have problems in achieving them. Yeah, so it's quite a natural part of the process to say, what are your objectives? What are some of the challenges in achieving them? Yeah, and then what happens if you don't achieve them? Why is the problem a problem? The impact question. Yeah, and this one makes the problem real. It makes it bigger. It makes it more tangible. And it shows you really whether it is something that wants to get solved or not. It's a tough question to ask. Sometimes you need a lot of subject matter expertise in asking this question. If you're speaking to a finance director and he's speaking to you about the effects of line 6 in a balance sheet, then your knowledge of finance may come into this question quite specifically. But generically, the question is simple. Why is this problem a problem? What is the impact of this problem on you, on your department, on your people, on your processes, on your ability to achieve your objectives? Yeah? And finally, before we give them solutions, we ask the questions, and what are you going to do? What capabilities are you looking for? What solutions are you looking for to solve the problems that you have? What are you going to do? What are your ideas? Before we give them our ideas. And after this whole process will come the stage where we are in a position where we will try and give them some value from the conversation or show them some of the ideas that we may have from an IT perspective and the demand management perspective. Okay? Any questions there? Okay. So what I would like to do is show you a demonstration of this, yeah, so that you can see a mini version actually unfolding in front of you.